Namaste dear children, my name is Manjula from Shri Gurukul Group of Institution from the Department of Social Science. Hope everyone successfully completed all the examination. Now it's time for our social science. So here some of the important questions which may appear in our board exams. So once let's glance. Beginning with the first chapter, that is the advent of Europeans to India. So this chapter is having the weightage of 3 marks. Some of the important questions from these topics are Raja Martanda Varma, Battle of Plassey as well as the Battle of Buxar. So out of 3, definitely you are going to get 1 questions from this topic. Next followed with the next chapter, that is the extension of British rule. So this chapter is having a weightage of 2 marks. So from this chapter, subsidiary alliance, otherwise doctrine of lapse. Definitely we are going to get out of these questions, these 2 questions, definitely 1 questions we will get in the board exam. Next, the impact of British rule in India. So this chapter is having a weightage of 2 marks, otherwise 1 marks. So 1 marks means definitely for MCQs, otherwise 1 word answers we are going to get. 2 marks, some of the important topics such as the impact of British land tax policies as well as the British education in India as well as the judicial system. Then followed with the next chapter, that is opposition to the British rule in India as well as the Wadayars of Mysore. So this chapter is having a priority of 4 marks. The weightage is 4 marks. So some of the important topics such as Chikkadevaraja Odiyar, achievements of Krishna Devaraja Odiyar, as well as Dondiyavag, as well as the Sangoli Rayana. So these are some of the important topics which may appear in our board exams. Then the social and religious reform movement. So this chapter is having a weightage of 3 marks. Some of the important topics such as Sri Narayana Guru Pariparana Yogam as well as the Periyar. So these are some of the important topics, and these topics definitely we can able to score good marks. So the next one is the first war of Indian independence. So this chapter is having a weightage of 3 marks. Some of the important questions like the revolt of 1857, they may ask about the results, they may ask about the failure, but definitely from this chapter we are going to get the questions. The next is freedom struggle. So here some of the important topics, that is moderates, extremists, Nehru as well as Ambedkar, Subhash Chandra Bose and tribal revolt. So this chapter is having a weightage of 4 marks, children. Definitely we are going to get the marks from some of the topic from this chapter. Then the Indian after independence. So this chapter is having a weightage of 2 marks. Some of the important questions like the problem faced by India after independence. So these are some of the questions which has been extracted from all the 4 model question paper as well as the preparatory paper. So some of the questions has been repeated in the model question paper as well as the preparatory question paper. So we have to focus little bit more attention for these topics. Then how the Puducherry has been liberated from the Goa. Then the next chapter is the World War of India's role. So what is the role of India in the World War? So in this chapter they are going to extract for 1 marks. Then the followed with the public administration. So this chapter is having a weightage of 2 marks. Some of the important topics such as UPSC, KPSC and recruitment. So definitely out of 3 topic we are going to get 1 for the board exam. The next chapter, that is challenges of India and their remedies. So this chapter is having a weightage of 4 marks. So some of the important topics such as the measures taken to eradicate illiteracy as well as the corruption. So these are some of the important topics. Definitely we are going to questions from this topic. Then the India's foreign policy and the global challenges. So this chapter is having a weightage of 3 marks. Some of the important questions such as how to remove the economic inequality as well as the terrorism. So terrorism is a topic. So continuously they are repeating in all the papers. So children, give little bit of more importance for this topic. Then the word organization. See this chapter. So even in the board exam, they are extracting for 1 marks. So please glance it for 1 mark. So definitely we are going to get the topic from this chapter also. That is headquarters, where is the headquarters of the different organization which has been mentioned in this chapter, as well as the UNICEF, then the International Children Emergency Fund, then WHO, World Health Organization. So these are some of the important topics which may appear in our board exams. Then sociology, we need to come to the sociology part. So they given the weightage for 1 marks. Some of the important topics such as social stratification, the meaning of social stratification, then the prejudice and different articles which has been mentioned in this chapter. Definitely for 1 marks they are going to extract the questions. Then the followed with the work and economic life. This chapter is having a weightage of 3 marks. Some of the topics such as the organized as well as the unorganized workers, then the unemployment. The unemployment may be the remedies they are asking, the effects they are asking. So definitely from this topic we are going to get the questions in our board exams. Then the collective behavior and protest. So this chapter we are having a weightage of 2 marks. They are going to extract, it may be the MCQs or 1 word questions in the board exam. So 1 marks we can predict from this chapter. Then the social challenges. Definitely this chapter they are going to extract for 3 marks. The weightage they have given 2 marks as well as the 3 marks. The child labor, dowry and the child marriage. So these are some of the important topics. Definitely we are going to get the questions in our board exam, children. The next one is geography part. That is India's geographical position and the physical features. So this question they will ask in the mapper. So thoroughly practice all the map. So I'm going to update even the map places in this video. Then the next topic is India's seasons, which is for 1 marks. So some of the topics such as, usually they will ask for 1 marks from this topic. Again the map work they may ask. Then the soil, that is it is having a weightage of 4 marks this chapter. Definitely the conservation of soil, that is one of the most important topic, because that is the only one topic we can see in that chapter. Then coming on to the forest resources, it is having a weightage of 2 marks. Some of the important questions like the conservation of forest, definitely out of this conservation of soil or the conservation of forest, in these two topics definitely they are going to ask for 1 marks. Then moving on to the next chapter, that is water resources, it is having a weightage of 2 marks. Important questions like they may ask for objective 1, then the rainwater harvesting, and of course for 1 marks national power grid. So these are some of the important topics. Then the land use and agriculture, it is having a weightage of 2 marks. Some of the important questions like floriculture as well as the horticulture, then of course they are going to extract for 1 marks from this chapter. Then we are moving on to the next chapter, that is mineral and power resources. This chapter is having a weightage for 5 marks. So topics such as non-conventional energy and of course the map places. In this chapter, it is very important, children, we have to glance the map places. Then moving on to the next chapter, that is transport and communication. This chapter is having a weightage of 5 marks and it's a very important chapter. At the same time, it's very easy also. So again the map places, then GPS, remote sensing technology, and GPS. So these are some of the important topics in this chapter. Then the map major industries in this chapter, definitely for 1 marks. They like biotechnology and ISRO. I think previous year also they asked about these two topics. So glance it, children. This is also one of the important topics when it is come to this chapter. Then the natural disaster. So this chapter is having a weightage of 3 marks, and most of all the topics are very important. But definitely we can predict some of the topics like flood, earthquake, or the precautionary measures of all the topics. Then the economy and the government. This chapter is having a weightage of 2 marks. The important questions such as the Green Revolution, 5-year plan, and as well as the Niti Aayog. So out of 3, definitely we can predict 1 questions from this chapter. Then the rural development. This chapter is having a weightage of 3 marks. Some of the topics such as the decentralization, Panchayat Raj institution, again for 1 marks, and even in the model question paper they have extracted the question from this chapter. Then the public finance and budget, it's having a weightage of 1 and 3 marks. So they may ask for 1 marks. Definitely they will ask for 1 marks as well as for the 3 marks. The difference between the public and the finance, then definitely for the 1 marks, as I told. Then the bank transaction, it is for 3 marks. It is having a weightage of 3 marks. Some of the advantages of the bank transaction as well as the types of the bank account, that is for 2 marks. Then the followed with entrepreneurship. This is also one of the important topic, and definitely they are going to extract for 3 marks from this topic, from this chapter, that is the importance of entrepreneurship, and as well as the 1 marks they are going to extract the question from this chapter. Then the last chapter is the consumer protection and education. This chapter is having a weightage of 2 marks. So some of the important topics such as World Consumer Day, why it has been celebrated, for 1 marks. Then protect consumer rights, that is for 3 marks. Then the district commission, state commission, as well as the national commission. So these are the topics which carry 3 marks. Children, hope all these questions are very useful for your board exam. With the help of these questions, definitely you can score good marks. The PDF is available in the description box. You can download it. So do well in your examination, children. Prepare well, practice well, and all the best for your examination. Namaste.